Do you or someone you know get those painful stomach cramps? Imagine if 10 common vegan foods could make them feel much better. Foods like bananas and ginger might be the secret. Want to know more? Let's check them out. 1. Magnesium-rich bananas. Bananas are gentle on the stomach and are a great source of potassium. They help neutralize excess stomach acid and protect against ulcers. Plus, they're a quick and healthy snack option. Bananas are like nature's tranquilizer for your muscles. They are chock full of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in muscle relaxation. When a woman is on her period, her uterine muscles can go into overdrive, causing painful cramps. Magnesium steps in to help those muscles chill out, providing you with some much-needed relief. So next time you feel those cramps creeping in, reach for a banana or two. It's a tasty and natural way to boost your magnesium levels and ease the discomfort. 2. Ginger for inflammation. This humble root has been used for centuries to soothe upset stomachs. It helps relax the gastrointestinal muscles, reducing nausea and indigestion. Whether ginger tea, ginger ale, or freshly grated, it's a go-to choice for stomach relief. If you're looking for a natural inflammation fighter, ginger is your go-to ally. It contains a special compound called gingerol, which has been shown to have pain-relieving properties that can alleviate discomfort. You can easily incorporate fresh ginger into your meals, brew a soothing cup of ginger tea, or even consider ginger supplements for that extra boost. 3. Flax seeds. Omega-3 goodness. Don't let their small size fool you. Flax seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce the production of prostaglandins, the troublemakers responsible for those painful contractions. Whether you sprinkle ground flax seeds on your morning oatmeal, blend them into your smoothies, or toss them onto your salads, these tiny seeds can make a big difference. 4. Papaya, a tropical digestive delight. This tropical fruit contains papain, a proteolytic enzyme that helps break down proteins in the digestive system. This enzyme not only aids in digestion, but also promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria. It's an excellent choice for those suffering from acid reflux or heartburn. The high fiber content in papaya helps in binding excess stomach acid, reducing irritation, and providing relief from acid reflux and peptic ulcers. 5. Whole grains, fiber and relief. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are rich in fiber, which can be a cramp saver in disguise. Fiber helps alleviate constipation, which can make cramps feel worse. Additionally, it helps stabilize blood sugar levels, taming mood swings and cravings often associated with that time of the month. 6. Turmeric, nature's anti-inflammatory. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory superstar. It works to reduce inflammation in the body, which in turn can help minimize the intensity of your abdominal pain. Whether you add turmeric to your curries, soups, or enjoy a soothing cup of turmeric tea, this spice might be your new best friend. 7. Pineapple's bromelain. Pineapple contains an enzyme known as bromelain, which is a digestive superhero. Bromelain breaks down proteins in the digestive system, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients and reduce the chances of bloating and indigestion. Bromelain also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate inflammation in the digestive tract. This makes it an excellent choice for those dealing with inflammatory stomach conditions. 8. Nuts and seeds for healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system because it promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and aids in the elimination of waste products. This can help reduce discomfort and keep your stomach happy. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds, are packed with heart-healthy, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fats. These fats support overall cardiovascular health and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. 9. Avocado, creamy comfort. Avocado isn't just a trendy toast topper. It's a source of healthy fats and potassium. The potassium content in avocados supports proper muscle function, helping to reduce cramps and discomfort. So why not add some creamy avocado to your meals for that extra comfort? Before I reveal number 10, the most delicious one yet, I want to share a personal note. I know how crippling those stomach aches can be. In fact, they can be so intense that they've kept me from going to work. But I've found that these foods have made a significant difference in my life, and I hope they can do the same for you or someone you know. And finally, number 10, dark chocolate for mood enhancement. Yes, you read it right. Dark chocolate can be more than just a treat. In moderation, it's an enjoyable way to lift your mood and combat the emotional ups and downs. Dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants have been linked to improved overall health, including digestive well-being. Dark chocolate contains compounds that trigger the release of endorphins and serotonin in your brain, promoting a sense of well-being and happiness. A relaxed and positive mood can positively impact your digestion. By the way, dark chocolate is also a powerful anti-inflammatory. For a list of the top 10 anti-inflammatory foods, watch out for this next video.